welcome to Friday's Celebration Assembly. Are we excited? I know I'm excited, and as always, Betty's excited. Now, Betty, did you know that this is an exciting day for another reason as well? It is. Today is Autism Awareness Day. Yes, we are celebrating being our own individual selves and learning more about what autism is. You're going to be doing that in lessons today, children. They are. Are you going to listen to what they have to say as well? Yeah. Oh, I'm sure you will be in a few of those lessons. Now, in addition to that, of course, we've had a fantastic week and we have lots of awards to give out. Are you ready, Betty? She is. So shall we begin? Right. Now, let's see. Get everything sorted. Are we ready? For our Going for Gold Award, we have in York class Oceana for settling well into York class, and Mork as well for settling in well to York class. In whole class, we have Lorraine for following instructions well in English and getting on by herself. We also have Lexi for settling in and making new friends. In Nottingham class, we have Olivia for excellent read-write ink knowledge, and Naima for great work in read-write ink. In Liverpool, we have Jacob GC for super enthusiasm for the history work on Christopher Columbus, and Isaac for great progress in read-write ink. In Cardiff class, we have all of Cardiff class for their performance and effort in creating the spring show. And Joshua for getting onto gold because of his fantastic dance moves in PE. He was very convincing, Mr. Wormwood from Matilda. We also have Olivia for settling in well to Newlands. We also have in Cambridge class, Caden for working hard in computing when using spreadsheets and formulas, and Oscar for using Microsoft Excel confidently in computing. In London class, we have Alan for working hard to learn the bus stop method in maths. We also have Zane for the same reason for working hard to learn the bus stop method in maths. In Oxford class, we have Kieran for always being eager to share his ideas with the class, and Ella for writing an atmospheric setting description using a range of literacy devices. In Lincoln class, we have Ethan for having a fantastic transition into Lincoln class. In Chester, we have Jasmine for acting in English, performing a role play this week. Well done to all of these children for their fantastic work. Well done. Now we have the Year of Being Healthy Award. In York class, we have Olivia for eating all of her dinner, and Lilia for excellent efforts in PE. In Hall class, we have Jacob for realizing he was working hard and being proud of himself, and Zach for putting lots of effort into PE lessons and enjoying keeping fit. In Nottingham class, we have Gabby for excellent skills in volleyball, and we have Violet for having a positive attitude towards her work and creating an amazing piece of art. In Liverpool class, we have Daisy G for super teamwork skills when working to create a dance, and Morgan for super teamwork skills when working to create a dance. In Cardiff class, we have Isabel for showing patience, perseverance, and trying hard in art lessons, and Michael for settling well into Cardiff class. In Edinburgh class, we have Amelia for fantastic effort in her swimming, and Kyle for excellent participation in the Talk About groups. In Cambridge class, we have Key and Dwayne for persevering with the bus stop method in maths, and Bailey for inviting children in Nottingham class to join in the games. In London class, we have Leah Marie for playing well with children in Liverpool class, and Amelia for playing well with the children in Liverpool class. In Oxford class, we have Emily for making a lovely tree decoration for the playground for the Creativity Challenge this week, and Harley J for creating a thoughtful What Makes Me poster. In Lincoln class, we have Emmanuel for creating fantastic rainbow in science, and in Chester class, we have Louie for trying hard to use his Makaton signs to communicate with adults. Well done to all those children. Give them a big clap. Well done. Excellent. Now, next week is a big week. There's lots of things we need to remember. Okay, so let's see. First, we have the Easter raffle that's happening. So you need to make sure you buy your raffle tickets if you're doing that. And if the parents are wanting to buy tickets for the grown-up raffle, they're doing that as well, because we have a fantastic prize, a Chromebook for the grown-up prize with lots of chocolate and other things that grown-ups and children together can enjoy. We also have the Easter egg decorating competition. You need to bring your eggs by Tuesday so that you can be in the competition, and we got prizes for every class. You don't want to miss that. We also have started our attendance week prizes. Every day you come to school, you get your name put into a prize draw for some tickets to a special activity and for some Easter egg and Easter prizes. And then on Friday, we have the Easter bonnet parade. I'm so excited about it. Easter bonnet parade. So you can make an Easter bonnet at home and bring it in on Friday for our Easter bonnet parade assembly. Fingers crossed, everybody, fingers crossed that the weather will be nice enough for us to have the assembly outside for our parents to come to it. And this is for Key Stage 1 and early years. If it's not, then we'll record it in school and share it with our parents. Wow, lots going on next week. Can't wait for it all to happen. Have a nice weekend. See you.